chronic diseases, growing cities and a stressed healthcare system, it's very important to figure out how our surroundings affect our well-being, habits and health results.
We need to make the transition to prevention and health. In the Netherlands, people with a lower education and lower income live 4 years shorter than people with a high education and a high income, and even 15 years in poorer health. This calls for a broader view on the concept of health and for cooperation between different domains. For instance, linking the medical perspective to the social domains, but also integrating health into the physical environment, and to conclude how to address the scientific knowledge into the policy processes.
If you are eager to stay updated on the latest knowledge in preventive health and connect with experts who share your interest, this track is perfect for you.
And then together we can strive to a healthier generation.